Okay, so when it comes to trimming your videos for edTPA, one thing that I would do, if all you have to do is trim the video from the front and the back for the time restraints, is I would upload the video to YouTube, and then you can trim the video from there, and then make sure you download it back as an MP4. So what that process will look like, if I go to YouTube, then I'll go to my channel. So let's say I've uploaded the video, and now I want to trim it. I'll go to YouTube Studio, and I'll go click on my videos, and let's say this was the one. This was my hypothetical lesson plan for edTPA. Actually, we choose this one. We'll click on it, then you go to Editor, and then right here, this button is where you can trim it. Once you're satisfied with the trimming, make sure you save it, and that process has gone all the way through. It may take some time, but once it's completely done and you know that it's the time that you want, now you'll just download. So now this video is downloaded back as an MP4, and when I go to my downloads, it'll be right there, so as an MP4. And now just to put this in a spot where I can find it later, I'll go in, put in my documents, fall 2019. So now this refreshes, go back. Right there is my video. It's in an MP4 format, which is compatible for edTPA, and now I can upload that lesson plan.